Today, I'm going to show you 2 ways to personalize your folder icons on macOS. If you're using a newer version like macOS 26, you can simply right-click any folder and choose Customize Folder. A new window will pop up with tons of icons organized by categories. Just click one and it applies instantly to your folder. You can also use emoji by clicking the Emoji button. To reset everything back to default, just hit Clear. The second method lets you replace the default folder icon with any image. This works even on older versions of macOS. I recommend using a transparent PNG so the icon matches the Finder background. First, select your image file and press Command-C to copy it. Next, right-click the folder you want to change and choose Get Info. In the Info window, click once on this small folder icon. You'll see a highlight appear around it. Now press Command-V to paste your PNG. Your folder icon updates instantly. To reset it back to the default icon, open Get Info again. Click the small folder icon to select it. This time, instead of pressing Command-V, just press Delete. The folder instantly returns to the original macOS icon. If you paste a JPG that has a solid background, your folder icon will look like this, which isn't very clean. If you enjoy customizing your setup, you can use these methods to organize projects, school files, or work documents to make everything easier to find. And if you want more simple macOS tips, don't forget to follow easy tech steps.